another video here, and today I switched my look. Switched my look, but I still have my awesome swag derpy look. Here, let me put my awesome swag derpy look on. I forgot what pattern I have, but I know it was gazelle horns. Totally forgot. Honestly, I think someone's been hacking me because I have no clue where my stuff is going, first of all. So I have no clue where it's all going. I totally forgot my derpy look, but anyways, I'll just keep it like this. So today, I have nothing really planned. I was gonna do mail time, but I opened all my gifts already. I don't know if these have some personal stuff on them. Hey, go to my den. Yeah, okay. Let's see what the friends are. Batwoman. I think she's behind the hacking because I just don't know. Anyways, I really want that designer skirt and that crossbow, but it's on my trade list. I want to see if you're lying. Oh, you lied! You lied! You lied! You liar! You liar! He was a liar. Okay, let's go to the summer carnival. Play the game, LOL. I'm terrible at this. I'm probably just going to waste all of my items on for gems because oh, that's pretty cool. Mad Hatter. Okay. I'm gonna spend all of my ticket thingies. Oh yeah, I'm gonna convert. There we go. There we go. I have 681 tickets. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Wow. I can go crazy now. Let's see what I've always wanted. Raccoon tail. Yeah. Someone hacked that. Ooh. I can make the cool set pie. Where's the tail for that? Wasn't there like a tail? Okay, I honestly don't know, but that looks derp. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Should I have my mustache on? I think I should. Yes, I am the Taco Man. I am the Taco Man. Okay, so I'm just gonna put more music on. Yeah, we're gonna show you some glitching. I mean, well, you guys might know this already, but you take black, you take white, take that. And you get a phantom. Next glitch. Alice and Sophia Forest. Temple of Osiris. You guys might know this glitch. It's with the potions. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rainbow. Third. Going to here. You guys might possibly know this already because it's pretty simple. What the? Okay, wow.
On July 22nd, time to impact is 16 seconds. 15 seconds. New heroes arrive.
Oh, wow. Okay. Then just go up here, and then, yeah. Could spent all my money here, honestly. So yeah. I know there's one with, like, the hidden room, or secret room or whatever, but I just don't know how to do it. It seems so, it's like fast, and I don't know how to do it. So, if you sleep, phantoms come out, but you need, like, a bunch of people. Who's this? Apari. Oh, God. Okay. What's here? Nothing. Okay. Oh, wow. With all these warrior fans. I'm such a warrior fan. I know. I'm such a nerd. No, I'm not. But I just like warriors a lot. I like warriors and Harry Potter. Harry Potter's good. And the Rabbit Chronicles. Alice in Zombieland. That's a very good story. I'm reading it right now. It's really good. But I think I'm gonna have to end this video. Let me just see if any of the Cuddle Crew is on. Oh, and make sure to check out Candy Claus Protection. They are my bestest friends. Well, on Animal Jam. Yes, best friends. Okay, so bye guys.